YouTube automation and SEO are game changers for anyone looking to grow their channel efficiently. Let's dive into how these concepts can transform your video creation process and boost your visibility on the platform. First, let's talk about YouTube automation. This isn't about replacing creativity, it's about streamlining your workflow. Imagine setting up systems that handle repetitive tasks like video uploads, social media sharing, and even analytics tracking. Tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ can help you optimize your titles, tags, and descriptions automatically. This means more time for you to focus on what really matters, creating engaging content. Now consider the power of batch processing. Instead of shooting one video at a time, why not dedicate a day to filming multiple videos? This approach not only saves time, but also helps maintain consistency in your content. You can create a content calendar to plan your topics in advance, ensuring you stay relevant and aligned with trends. Next up is YouTube SEO. This is where the magic happens. You can have the best content in the world, but if no one sees it, what's the point? Start with keyword research. Use tools like Google Trends or the YouTube search bar itself to find what people are searching for. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your titles, descriptions, and tags. Remember, the first few lines of your description are crucial. They should hook viewers and include your primary keywords. Thumbnails are another critical aspect of SEO. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Use bold text, vibrant colors, and intriguing images to grab attention. Think of your thumbnail as a mini advertisement for your video. Engagement is also a key factor in YouTube's algorithm. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Ask questions in your videos to spark conversation. The more engagement your video receives, the more likely it is to be recommended to others. Don't overlook the importance of watch time. YouTube favors videos that keep viewers watching. Create content that captivates your audience from the start. Use storytelling techniques, visuals, and pacing to maintain interest. If you can hook viewers in the first few seconds, they're more likely to stick around. Finally, analyze your performance regularly. YouTube Analytics provides insights into what's working and what's not. Look at metrics like watch time, audience retention, and traffic sources. This data is invaluable for refining your strategy. If a particular type of content is performing well, consider creating more of it. In summary, YouTube automation and SEO are essential tools for maximizing your channel's potential. By streamlining your processes, optimizing your content, and engaging with your audience, you can create a thriving YouTube presence. Embrace these strategies and watch your channel grow.